Make sure the cabinet is unplugged before cleaning, and do not use high pressure water. Never spray water into the control area, and do not use cleaners with chlorides or phosphates. We recommend using soap and water or a cleaning agent suitable for stainless steel. Wipe down the cabinet at least once a week with a damp cloth or sponge. If you have a 9 series cabinet with a water reservoir, make sure to drain the water daily. Allow the water to cool down first and then drain it into a pan or directly into a floor drain, and then wipe any residual water inside the reservoir. Eight and 6 series cabinets have a removable water pan that should also be cleaned daily if utilizing the passive humidity feature. For the LCD screen on 8 and 9 series cabinets, also use soap and water. Do not use any citrus-based cleaners. Only use water that is suitable for drinking. Over time, minerals can build up on the heating element and sensor, potentially causing corrosion and decreased performance. To prevent scale buildup, add a teaspoon of white vinegar or lemon juice to the water reservoir. Using distilled water can also help prevent scale buildup. In some cases, you may need to add baking soda to the water in order for the water sensor to work properly. In the event that you do have scale buildup on the element or sensor, you may use a food-grade descaler suitable for stainless steel. When finished, thoroughly rinse all cleaning agents from the reservoir, heating element, and sensor.